Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Experiencing frustrating UI freezes on your PlayStation 5. You're not alone. It's a surprisingly common issue that can really disrupt your gaming experience, making menus feel clunky or unresponsive. But don't worry, there are several effective troubleshooting steps you can take to get your console back on track. Let's dive into some of the best solutions for a smooth PS5 experience in 2025. When your PS5 UI starts acting up, always begin with the easiest fixes. First, try a complete power cycle. Just turn off your console, unplug it for about 60 seconds, and then power it back on. Also, make sure your system software is completely up to date, as new updates often include crucial bug fixes. Finally, booting into safe mode and choosing the Restart PS5 option can often clear out minor software hiccups, getting you back into the game quickly. If basic restarts don't work, it's time for some deeper software solutions. Rebuilding your PS5 database, accessible through safe mode, is a fantastic way to repair corrupted files that could be causing those annoying freezes. Also, regularly clearing your system cache helps sweep away temporary data that might be bogging down your console. And remember, always check your storage. Sometimes, corrupted game installs or simply not enough free space can lead to UI issues. Sometimes, UI freezes stem from hardware or environmental factors. Overheating is a big culprit, so ensure your PS5 has plenty of clear space around it for proper ventilation. Dust buildup can also significantly reduce airflow, so regularly cleaning your console's vents with compressed air is crucial. If your console frequently feels warm, try moving it to a cooler, more open area. A well-ventilated PS5 is a happy and freeze-free PS5. If you've tried everything else, a factory reset is a powerful, final step, though it will erase all your data, so back up first. If the issues still persist after that, it's definitely time to reach out to PlayStation support for expert assistance. Remember, with ongoing system updates throughout 2025, Sony is constantly working to enhance stability, so keeping your console updated is key to a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.